Hey guys, Patrick John VXP Realty out here at Heartwood in Richmond Hill. Checking out a model home for one of my clients, but I thought I'd share it with everybody. So we're gonna check out the Continental from Pulte. And I'm just gonna walk you through so you can see kind of the upgrades and what they do here. All right, let's go check it out. All right, so here's the front of the home. As you can see, like I said, this is Heartwood. They got a great amenity center over there. This is built around health and wellness. They got a pool over there. We'll go check that out in a little bit. But they're building a whole bunch of lots over there. You can see they got Richmond Hill High School come in, the middle school. They got a grocery store. They got a hospital come over here. So it's a great community. Well, it's going to be a great community. Not quite yet, but real quick, the 95, which is another benefit of this community. But hold on, let's check this out real quick. Look at that gas lantern. Love it. Love it. This and the Ford Plantation are only two in this area that has the gas. As you walk in now, this is a almost fully upgraded, not quite fully upgraded, but this is a really highly upgraded home. As you see, here's a dining room area with tray ceilings and the crown molding inside. We're gonna go check that out, but let's go look at this real quick. I'm a little gimpy, so it's slow. I hurt myself in karate. But here's the Butler Pantry, which has got the wine bar. You got the wine rack. You got a lot of great options there. And then you got the double oven here and gas range on the countertop. This is quartz, as you can see. Two-tone on the cabinets. You got the white over here, and then you got your gray on this side. I love the sink in this island. And the light fixtures you got is fantastic. Dining room area right here. Or not dining room area, excuse me. You're kind of like, I don't know, eat-in kitchen area. And it goes out to a screen porch, which we'll get out to, but it opens up to this living room. Look at that. Great fireplace, wide open space. I mean, when you look all the way around, you got a ton of room to kind of see everything. So if you're entertaining, it'd be fantastic. Let's go back here, check out this area. So this was, now this model has a 5th bedroom, which this would be the 5th bedroom right here. So they can either 4 or 5. If you do the 5th bedroom option, you got a closet right there. Really nice sized room. You can fit a king size bed in here easily. And then when you add the 5th bedroom, it gives you this bathroom right here. So you got a full size bathroom, standing shower right off the living room area. So that's great. But I also want to show you this part right here, which is you got like a desk built in to your home. So homework, or if you got an office that you normally have, you can do that here. Fantastic. We'll come over here to a half bath right here. Oh, let me turn on the light. Half bath right here. So 2 bathrooms on the first floor. That's pretty cool. But let's go upstairs and check out that area because it's really nice. All right, so I'm at the top of the stairs. I want to catch this real quick. This is the stairs here. As you see, this is an oak. This is an upgrade. It would typically be carpet if you didn't want to upgrade it, but look at that. Here's the loft. Great area. I want to show you out there. That's where you can sit outside on the porch. Fantastic. Let's come in here to this bedroom right here. You see a lot of light. And when you add the balcony like that, you get these 2 extra windows. It adds a lot of light in here. Also, full bathroom in here. So there you go, like that. And then I'll come to these other rooms. All right, I'm gonna get out there. Actually, you know what? Let's just go out there right now. Check this thing out, because I love having this so we can sit down and just drink coffee outside and look at everything. Obviously, this is not gonna be your view right here in the home you buy, but you get a view. All right, we'll come over here to this area. Come into this next bedroom right here. You see, beautiful size. You can fit a king size bed here as well. Jack and Jill to the next bedroom, but as you can see, there's your sink and toilet, shower tub combo. Then they have their own sinks. So separate, you're not even gonna be in each other's way. Be fantastic. Everybody gets their own sink. Nice. There's a closet just to get you a peek of that. And then your laundry room right here. It's a laundry room. Here's your cable box. Okay. And then coming into this primary bedroom. Now, this one's got the shiplap upgrade. It's got the tray ceilings with the crown molding. It's a king size bed right there, so you can see there's tons of room for furniture, but also a sitting area in here, which if you like to sleep and work, you could have an office here. You have a reading area, whatever you like. A ton of space in this room. And then come in here to the bathroom. Beautiful bathroom here. You see dual vanity. You got the standing shower with the two shower heads. The sitting area. Look at this walk-in closet right here. Boom. And then you got another closet right here. Boom. And then you got a linen closet, so you don't have to put your linen in your closet for your clothes. It's got its own closet. And then bathroom right there. So it's great. Let's go out to the back screened area. Leaving the beautiful kitchen, living room area, coming out here to the screened porch. This is also could be an option to turn this into a sunroom. Would actually give you some more space, heated space, and turn this into a 3,200 square foot home. Because this would be like a 4-inch extension. And then you got this right here. It could be also an option. All right, so we're out of the pool. Just want to kind of give you guys a quick shot of the pool. Beautiful area right here, right next to the playground right here. Swings, you got jungle gym. They have a racetrack for trikes and stuff like that. And then over there, you got the amenity center. Let's go over there. One more area by the pool. Just want to let you know they got this screened in area with dual fans. Beautiful. Got a little ping pong table going on, an outside sitting table area. So it's pretty nice. And then of course bathrooms over there. This is the Outfitters building. Beautiful building but this is where all the activities are happening for right now. You do exercise center right here, as you can see. You can take classes in here with the help of the wonderful ladies of St. Joseph Candler. And yeah, if you have any more questions, let me know. All right. So that was the Continental plan by Pulte in Heartwood of Richmond Hill, Georgia. If you guys have any questions, you give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon.